The runners, it's Thursday, October 5th, 2023. And as we do it here on the 90-day run, it is Trading Thursday. Got my good brother here, Ricardo Hamilton, aka M.I.M.S. What's going on, brother? How are we feeling today?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Feeling good. Anytime you can learn a skill, put yourself in position to make some money every single day, regardless of what goes on in the market, so I think that's a good day. So, and we having a good time, brother. Good time. How you?
Doing awesome. I'm about to close this trade, Ricardo, that we put
Okay.
out last night for our group. Now, it was
Yeah.
above 100%, but
Uh-huh.
I lost a couple of dollars waiting for you guys. But I'm
Let
going
me
to go
zoom
ahead
in
and,
on there for them.
there we
Okay, yeah,
go.
it'll pop up for them. Yeah.
So I'm going to go ahead and close this 100%. So I made $46.90 from a $50 trade. So
Wow.
almost doubling, my initial capital.
Wow.
And this is all done decentrally. I didn't have to send my money, to an exchange. Everything was kept inside my wallet. And, let me zoom out here for a second. So we had, the take profit was set. I just went ahead and closed it since we were out here. We had our stop loss set. And yeah, brother, just crushing it with these trades. One of the guys on our team had 5 winning trades yesterday.
Wow.
And man, I tell you what, I don't know why
That's
we
huge.
waited so long to get into trading because I absolutely love it.
Well, yeah, we cracked the code now with the system that we have, utilizing the platforms that we're using, and the knowledge and skills that we have and the resources. We're having success, and you guys can clearly see that was a live trade, almost 100% on his money. From trading, learning the skill, utilizing the platforms that we have and the indicators and signals that we're using, and we have people on the team who are winning as well. And this is why we do this on Thursdays to let people know this is real, that you want to take advantage of it, that we're winning regardless. And these opportunities are here for people. We talk about multiple streams of income all the time, but multiple skills, okay, is also a great thing to have as well. And trading is definitely one of them.
And so I want to show you guys one other thing because maybe you're like, well, Mike, I don't want to learn how to trade. I don't have time to do it. I can't be sitting. I don't even want to really, be sitting at a computer, even if it takes me 30 seconds to put something in. So I just want to show you guys something, the power of AI. Okay. Now this is a historical chart of an AI trading strategy that our team has access to. So this started back at the beginning of 2021 in January with $10,000. So you have January of 2022, January of 2023 would be 2 years. So this is less than 3 years old. 3 years, not even 3 years. It will be 3 years this January. This account has gone from $10,000 to over $200,000 in less than 3 years. This is hands-free. Again, it stays in your own account. Okay, it's on your exchange or the exchange that you choose, but you're not sending it to somebody saying, "Oh, give me 1.5% a day" or something crazy like that.
Stay
Okay,
away from those.
yeah, it is in your account. An uh, AI algorithm is trading for you, and you can choose to do this in Bitcoin or Ethereum. So if it thinks Bitcoin's going to go up, it's going to put that $10,000 into Bitcoin. If they think Bitcoin's going to drop, they'll sell it all into a stable coin like USDC. They'll let the market drop. Well, you're secure in your stable coin dollar. And then when they think the market's going to come back up, they'll move from the dollar back into Bitcoin or Ethereum. Now, most people don't have the discipline, the foresight, the knowledge, the time to read the market and then move back and forth. Like think about this, Ricardo, right? When you can see there was a little pullback here around 150. Imagine somebody going in and going from 150 in Ethereum or Bitcoin to 150,000 in dollars.
Mm.
That's a lot of money to move back and forth, and to have the mindset and the patience to be able to do that, very few people have.
Yeah. Yeah.
And again,
Automation accounts for human error.
you can kind of see, um, since, kind of October of 2022, it's been pretty flat. Well, that's because the market has been in a bear market. It hasn't really gone up much. So they probably, for the most part, stayed in stable coins during this last period. We know that the Bitcoin halving is this April. And, I'm telling people you have your positions in by June. So now we can get ready for the next bull run and get, capital in here to start having AI trade for us. But M.I.M.S, maybe I'm not doing a good job explaining this. Can you make it make sense in case some people are struggling?
Yeah, no, I mean you did a great job, brother. Look, the account started at 10,000 in less than 3 years. It's at 200,000. Uh, how do I get this software at this point? But yeah,
Right.
there are things that are out here and available for people, but you don't know what you don't know, and you won't know unless somebody tells you. And so platforms like this and these systems that we're using is allowing us to benefit from this type of software, benefit from these results. And we're getting it at prices that the average person, they wouldn't even be able to afford to take advantage of this. And we're able to get a deal for our community. And so this is, like you talked about automation. You know what I'm saying? It's the software doing the work for you. It's not you learning how to trade. It's just you realizing that this software works. You see the past performance and the results. Doesn't necessarily always guarantee future, but you can see what they've done over the last 2 years or so with this account. And that's not including all the features that the software has and all the pairs that the software is using. So if this made sense to you, you definitely want to reach out to us or who shared this video with you so you can find out how to get access to this software and how to put your money to work for you, and have an additional resource in creating some income.
So I just want to see something here. Let's go January 20. Okay. So it kind of starts, it's almost when it really took off. There's January 1st, 2021. Okay.
Hmm.
So the price of Bitcoin was $29,000. Okay. Now, let's say you bought $10,000 worth of Bitcoin then, and you just held it in Bitcoin. Okay. So you buy $10,000 of Bitcoin almost 3 years ago. It's $29,000. Today, it's $27,000. So you hodled, you did what you're supposed to do, you were disciplined, and you've actually lost money because of the timing, you know? So that's why when you look at this, you see this orange line where it says hodl BTC. That orange line on the bottom has basically stayed the same or gone down in the last 2.5, almost 3 years, because you're not leveraging artificial intelligence and automation. I mean, these things are right in front of us to use. And what is the my people perish for lack of knowledge?
Yeah.
I mean, this is absolutely, I've never seen returns like this. And, we're not hoping this happens. It's happened. It's
Yeah.
already been done.
This is proven data, folks. That's one thing about a lot of these other sites. They won't even show you how they're doing the trades, who's doing the trades. It's all like, oh yeah, we're doing this, but they can't verify it. It's like we just gotta hope. Nah, this ain't that, and that ain't this. You understand? So this is literally proven, verifiable, and it's real. It's real. Okay. And so yeah, we got access to it. We want to make sure we get this out to you guys so you can take advantage of it as well. This is it's a great platform and a great resource to have in regards to putting your money to work for you, in the other ways that we talk about.
So what we're going to do, guys, at 12:30, we're going to be going on Zoom to go into more detail on this and go over some more trading stuff that you guys can do. So you saw me open this live where when I closed my trade for about 100% profit. Okay, that happened in one day from the signals we're getting. So we're going to talk about that, how you can trade, learn to trade and trade on by yourself, okay, decentrally. And then we're also going to go into more detail about how you can have AI trade for you. Okay, so it's Trading Thursday. We're in the middle of a 90-day run. All right, so every day we're bringing you guys value at noon Eastern Standard Time. And we decided to go live and then go to the Zoom. Tomorrow, we'll be going live here on Facebook and YouTube just really shortly. And then we're going to go over to Rumble because what we're going to be talking about, we can't, say on these channels. But let's look at the markets really quick here. Gold at 1838. Wow. They are just slamming it down.
Yeah.
Silver at $21.15. Down 7% this week, guys. This is, if you're not buying gold and silver right now, you don't deserve to be wealthy. That is crazy.
Yeah, it's a top asset. You gotta have it. I love when I see the prices go down because I'm getting more. Even when I get my little 10-ounce bars right here, I got over 10 of these, but now I get them at a cheaper price. Right? I understand the value, and that's how you have to value your wealth. You have to value your wealth in ounces, not dollars, because a dollar is not a unit of wealth. It doesn't hold value. It's a debt instrument. You value your wealth in assets. You value your wealth in ounces. You value your wealth in quantity. That's how you value your wealth.
Nothing really crazy going on today. Aave up another 7.2. Let's look at the prices. Bitcoin at 27,600. Ethereum at 1622. XRP, that's the coin I shorted. So it went down 2%. So think about that, guys. Because of the leverage, it went down 2%, but I made 100%. So these are the things that we're going to teach you on the Zoom. But yeah, that's really it, guys. We're going to take a quick 15-minute break. We'll send out the details in the Runners app, Runners group. soundmoneysecrets.com, guys. So to go to any our Zooms, soundmoneysecrets.com. Okay. So we're going to be on there in 15 minutes at 12:30 Eastern Standard Time to go over the software more, set you guys up with trading, answer any questions you guys have. M.I.M.S, anything else we need to mention, or we can just
So just once again, folks, this is what we do on Thursdays. We go live really quickly, give you some information on the trading, show some results, let you guys know what this software is doing. Then we go into a private Zoom. Okay, so at 12:30, we're going into a private Zoom, which is about 15 minutes from now. You can get access to that private Zoom by going to www.soundmoneysecrets.com. Mike placed it in the chat already. So we're going to go over the resources that we're using to get the trading signals and skills. We're going to give you the platform that we're using to do the trading decentralized and be able to leverage the market as it goes up or down. And we're going to show you this AI software that we showed you that just has some phenomenal returns over the last 2 years or so, from $10,000 to $200,000. Show you how that's done and how you can take advantage of that software as well. So if that interests you, get into soundmoneysecrets.com at 12:30 in the next 15 minutes or so. And once again, this is something that we do every Thursday, part of our 90-day run for smart finance and just wealth building in general.
All right. Lace up. Let's get wealthy, guys. We'll see you in 13 minutes on the Zoom.